So I lost faith. I turned to her to keep the faith. She told me take it on completion or you lose your mark. I'm on a 9 to 5 level. Looking for the long. Clever watch system. Crazy feather at the end of my tether.